Nobody told me that gardening would require waders, but here we are, and honestly, I'm obsessed with these True Dave women's chest waders. I bought mine for pond cleanup and gardening, and they showed up at the perfect time because I was just getting ready to put our LED lights in the pond. And let me just say this, I loved that the fish weren't nibbling at my legs the whole time. As cute as that sounds, I really prefer to stay unnibbled. These kept me warm and dry while I was standing in chilly water for a longer stretch, especially that early spring and late fall kind of cold. The fit is women specific, and I really like that they're a way looser fit, so you can layer underneath when you need to. Quick side note, definitely do check the size chart because these are designed to be really roomy, I'm guessing, so that you can layer thicker clothes underneath to stay warm. One of my favorite details is the zippered chest pocket. It's perfect for keeping your phone and license secure while you're working, because the last thing you want is to set your phone down somewhere safe near the pond. And comfort-wise, the way these are cut makes it easy to bend your knees and move around without any annoying inner thigh rubbing. Plus, they're stocking foot, so you can choose your own boots, but I'll tell you what I do. Most days, I don't even add boots. I just use the stocking foot in the pond for that barefoot feel, and it still keeps me dry and warm, but I'm still working. Also, can we talk about that little touch of girly pink? Well, that's one of my favorites too. It's subtle, but it makes me happy because practical can still be cute, right? And at the end of the day, I am going to show you the lights that I am putting in and installing, because this is exactly the kind of job these waders are made for. Getting in, getting it done, and staying comfortable while you do it. Friendly reminder, I am an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. If you enjoy getting my pondside pics, like and subscribe so you can keep getting these.